Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share with you a little trading opportunity on the dollar yen this morning because the market's been pretty slow, but we're going into September. Last week of the holidays are done, people are coming back into the markets, and we had non-farms, that's all out the way now. But the markets have been pretty slow, but there's a couple of, particularly the dollar yen, but there's a couple of opportunities in the markets today. And what I want to share with you is an opportunity for you more intraday traders who are looking for quick in-out structure-based trades that have high probability. So let's take a look at the charts. So first things first, you're going to see it doesn't look very attractive here on the dollar yen. We're just moving sideways. We have been for quite some time. But as we drop down to the 4 hour, if we start narrowing in on this most recent structure level, I'm just going to draw your attention to this price point here, which is 110.40. We had a really nice structure shelf looking left before we broke below that. And as we approached it again recently, we held and we're just holding that level again. So if we drop down to the 1 hour, what you're going to see is we are right up at this level. So if we draw on our little horizontal structure zone here, you can see that we're approaching that level following this breakout. We had this flag breakout here and or this little compression channel right here. We broke out to the upside and we're approaching this level, and we're going to monitor this and see how price reacts at this level, because there's potentially a little short here with a good reward to risk profile and a quick high probability in out rollover that we can capitalize on. So this isn't a trade for you guys that are going to be looking to, shoot for the moon, big long extended targets. This is just a quick in-out rollover based on the resistance that we're likely to see at this level. Now, do I want to get involved right now? Absolutely not. We're only just pushing up to that zone. What I want to look for is how price is reacting on a lower time frame. So you can see on the 15-minute chart here, we had some bullish momentum for the breakout. We then slowed down, lost momentum, and now we're stalling just in that resistance zone. So this is a good indication that we're likely to see a hold. Now, there's a couple of ways that you could potentially enter this. One would be obviously the most aggressive, just entering the zone, waiting for the close and entering short. Second one might be a lower low, lower close, or a doji candle, something like that, or a 3-bar reversal. And finally, the most conservative would be a little double top here. Now, the beauty about waiting for a conservative entry is the fact that you can get tight stops above the high, which is also, remember, the previous high on the hourly time frame. So you've got a protective zone for stops there, but also the reward to risk profile, because even if you're taking targets, and remember, this is only going to be a quick in-out trade. It's not going to be huge targets or shooting for extended targets. But even if you're shooting for targets at just kind of this structure zone, you've got over a 2-to-1 reward to risk, which is pretty nice, and you can still make some money there. So that's what we're looking at for today. I wanted to get this out to you and share it to you before it plays out, because as you guys know, I don't like hindsight stuff. Too much of that out there. So follow along this trade. Let me know if you're looking at it. Let me know how you would enter this trade in the comments, and share with me anything you're looking at in the markets this week as well. Until then, have a great rest of your day and good luck, and I'll see you then.